A warm welcome to our mini webinar series. My name is Sylvan Meyer and today it is my pleasure to show you our new Download Center tool. To access the Download Center, you simply need to go on our MELAG website where you will find the section Service. By clicking on Service, you will be offered with the option Download Center. By clicking on Download Center, you will see this complete tool. Now, to make it a little bit more accessible for you, we have, as usual, asked our model clinic. And I think this is a question that occurs to you in the field quite often, and that here with the Download Center we have a very good solution to it. So the clinic asked us, can you send me the operating manual for our steam sterilizer? So to save time and to make your daily work even more efficient, we have an assistance for you with the Download Center. So you simply add the product group, so steam sterilizer, the product, the specific product type, and the language. And then you will see a complete list with the manuals for the specific products, which you then are able to download here in the center and also use for your clinic. So maybe you have also asked during our mini webinar series where we have taken these example clinics from, and maybe you have thought that this might also be helpful for your daily operation. So we have created a reference section with different reference reports that should support your daily business. So by clicking on reference on our website, you will be guided on this side where you have a complete overviews with different clinics from all over the world, with clinics that use the MELAG system solution and that are satisfied with our products. So you might choose a specific report here. So and then you will be shown with a complete report of one of our reference clinics that includes experiences, insights on our products, and also images of how the MELAG products can be arranged and how different clinics work with our product workflow. These reference reports will benefit you greatly, will support you in your daily business, because they show to your local partners how other clinics all over the world use our products and how they are working with the MELAG system solution. So this is it for the moment. It has been great to share with you the information on our Download Center and also on our reference reports. And also it has been a great pleasure to share with you the content of all our different digital tools. We are very proud to have you as our partners, and we hope that you will enjoy our upcoming contents, our webinars, our product videos, and our tutorials. Please do stay connected. See you soon. Thank you very much.